measurement. Under measurement, here we are going to see about parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided closed shape in which opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Most of the bridges are constructed using parallelogram as a structural design. For example, Common Bridge in Rameswaram. Engineers use properties of parallelograms to build and repair bridges. Today, we are going to find out area of parallelogram and the perimeter of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to B into H square unit, where B is base and H is height. Perimeter of parallelogram, you should add sum of all the four sides. Before starting the exercise, please note down these notes in 182 Maths classwork note.
Exercise 2.1. Please copy down the question in the classwork note. Question number 1. Find the area and perimeter of the following parallelogram. First step, area of parallelogram. Formula, base into height square unit. Now, given base is 11 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. Area equal to 11 into 4. So, 44 centimeter square. Same sum, we are going to find perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter equal to sum of all the four sides. So, 11 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, that equal to 30 centimeter. Subdivision 2. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height square unit. Here the base is 7 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. So 7 into 10, 70 centimeter square. Now we are going to find the perimeter of the parallelogram, sum of four sides. So we should add all the four sides. 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, that equal to 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 13, 20 plus 13, 33 plus 7 centimeter, 7 plus 3, 10, carry over 1, 4. So your answer is 40 centimeter. Now question number 2. Find the missing value. In the first subdivision, they are given the base and the height. We are going to find the area of the parallelogram. What is the formula to find the area of parallelogram? First step, you should write area of parallelogram equal to base into height square unit. Here the given base is 18 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. So 18 into 5. 5 8s are 40. Carry over 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 90 centimeter square. In question number 2, subdivision 2. Here, the base is given as 8 meter and the area of the parallelogram is given as 56 square meter. You are going to find the height of the given figure. Okay, height equal to area divided by base. So, here the area is 56 square meter divided by the given base is 8. So, 8 ones are 8, 7s are. So, the height is 7 meter. Let's move on to the next subdivision. In this, we are going to find the base. The given area is 221 square millimeter and the height is 17 millimeter. To find base, area divided by height. Area divided by height. So, base equal to, the given area is 221 square millimeter divided by the height is 17 millimeter. So, by using the usual division method, we can do the given sum. Now, 17 ones are 17. So, 1, 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Get down this 1. Now, 17 3s are 51. So, your base is 13 millimeter. Please copy down the sums in your classwork note and highlight the formula and the answer in the box. Now, we can move for the next question as a word problem given in your book. Shall I read the question? Question number 3. Suresh on a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament knows that the area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of that trophy? In the given word problem, we are going to find the height of the trophy. So, first step, you write the given area of a parallelogram is equal to 735 square centimeter and given base is 21 centimeter. What is the formula to find the height of the parallelogram? Area divided by base. So, your area is 735 divided by 21. Here in the rough column, you can work out the sum. 735 divided by 21. So, 21 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. 0. Subtract this two number. 1. Now, get down this 5. Now, 21 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So, subtract this two number 0. Now, the height of the trophy equal to 35 centimeter. Is it clear, student? Shall we go for the next sum? It is question number 4. Janagi has a piece of the fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter and its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms by cutting the parallel sides through its midpoint. Find the area of each parallelogram. So, first step, you please try to draw the shape of the parallelogram. In this, Janaki is going to cut down the fabrics as 4 equal parts, and the base given as 18 meter and the height is given as 12 meter. So each parts we have to find out. Now area of a parallelogram equal to base into height square unit. Here base is, what is the whole area? 18. Make it as half. So 2 1s are 2, 9s are 9 meter. Next one, same like that. Height equal to 12 divided by 2, 6 meter. Now what is the formula? We are given here area of the parallelogram is base into height square unit. So base into height square unit. Base is 9 and the height is 6. 9 meter and 6 meter. So 9 6 are 54 meter square. Area of each parallelogram equal to 54 meter square. Question number 5. A ground is in the shape of parallelogram. The height of parallelogram is 14 meter and the corresponding base is 8 meter longer than its height. Find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. So what is the shape of the parallelogram? What given ground? It is in the shape of parallelogram. Here it's given, the height is given as 14 meter and the base is 8 meter longer than its height. So 14 meter plus 8 meter is 22 meter. So here your height is 14 meter and the base is 22 meter. Here in this sum, we are going to find the total cost for leveling the ground. For that, we need the total area of the ground. So, first step, you should calculate the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. What is the formula for that? Base into height square unit. Here the base is 22 meter and the height is 14 meter. So 22 into 14. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. So add 8, 10, 3. So total area of the ground is 308 square meter. In the given question, cost of leveling per meter square is rupees 15. So total cost we need for leveling the ground is, total area is 308 into rupees 15. So 308 into 15. 5 8s are 40. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 5 3s are 15. Now, move on to the next number. 1 8s are in the tens place. 8. 1 zeros are 0. 1 3s are 3. Add 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry over 1, 6, 4. So, we need rupees 4,620. So, cost of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 4,620. Next, in they are given as objective type questions. Question number 6. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 cm and 5 cm. So, perimeter of parallelogram equal to sum of all the sides. What is the given sides are here? Example, here they given 6 cm, 5 cm, parallel or equal. So again 6 cm, 5 cm. So we should add all the 4 sides. 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 6 cm plus 5 cm. If you add these numbers, you will get 22 centimeter. So your answer is 22 centimeter. Now question number 7. The area of parallelogram, you have to find here the area of the parallelogram whose base 10 meter and the height 7 meter. So what is the formula? Area of parallelogram is base into height square unit. So 10 into 7, that is 10 meter into 7 meter. 10 into 7, 70 meter square. So your answer is 70 meter square. Next one, question number 8. The base of the parallelogram with the area is 52 square centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. Here the given is area and the height. You are going to find the base of the parallelogram. What is the formula, children, to find the base when the area and height is given? So base equal to area divided by height. So 52 divided by 4. So usual division method. 4 ones are 4. Subtract. Get down this 12. 4 3s are 12. So 0. So your base is 13 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit behind the number. Let's move on to the question number 9. Okay. Note down the homework sums and try to solve it in the homework note. Submit the given assignment every Monday to the office room. Next video session, we will see exercise 2.2. Thank you, students.